Nakakaloka itong araw na to. To be honest, it's not going our way. Tama ba? Tama in English. Stuck na tayo sa traffic. So this is the reality of seeing Mount Fuji on a peak season. Di gaanong kita. Itong feeling ng sumakses. Step by the step. Kita nyo naman kanina yung pinagdaanan natin. Totoo. Grabe. Wow. So this is Mount Fuji, guys. Grabe, ang sarap bumiyahin ng ganito yung view, no? 400 steps. Solid, sulit, surreal. Hi! Hello guys! Konnichiwa! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Tokyo, Japan! So for today's video, Mount Fuji Experience na nabook natin on Klook. So kung magbubook kayo ng activities, tours, travel items, or eSIM, you can book this on Klook and use my code DaveGinoKlook para maka-discount kayo. I-comment ko din sa baba yung mga nabook nating activities. Ang pick-up departure area natin, departure location ay Tokyo Mode or Tokyo Mode Gakuen. Ayan. So malapit lang to sa Shinjuku Station. So exit A17. Nandito na yung mga tourists. Actually ngayon kasama ko yung friend ko, si Nolp from Tacloban. This trip ko lang din na-discover na nag-aaral siya sa Tokyo. Kasi may isa pa tayong ticket. Dalawa yung ticket natin. Yung isa nating friend nasa Osaka siya ngayon, si Diana, na na-meet natin sa Korea Tourism Organization farm tour natin sa Korea. Isa siyang Mexica. Hindi na siya matutuloy kasi dumiretso siya ng Osaka. So buti nandito si Nol. Look guys, cherry blossoms! Wow, ganda. Ayan. Ito mismo yung binook natin. One day to Mount Fuji's popular attractions. Ito yung hashtag Instagrammable spots. So, nasa 2,900 siya. Alright, so may English, Korean, Chinese. Siyempre, piliin yung English. Tapos, may iba't iba namang siya, meeting points. So, dito tayo sa Shinjuku. Ang meet up natin, guys, ay 8:20. Tapos, departure ay 8:30. Nagtatawag na. This is my friend Nolp.
Hello. I am vlog.
Are you shy? Sabi ko kaya nag-aaral ka dito. Can you share a little bit of background? When did you start studying here? What's your course? And kailan ka pa dito? Nagulat din ako na nandito ka. Mag-Tagalog ka na pa. Hindi tayo magwawaray.
Okay. I came here around 6 months ago.
Ay, 6 months pa?
Yeah, so around classes started at around October. So I'm studying public policy at the University of Tokyo.
Ay, iba talaga my friend. University of Tokyo.
So yeah. I don't know what else to say. Ano pa ba sasabihin ko?
Sabi ko kasi mag-Tagalog lang, ba't ka nag-English? Saring,
oh,
okay lang.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
For the global audience.
So 6 months, akala ko, nagbabakasyon ka lang. Kasi di ba may mga Instagram stories ka.
Yeah.
Tapos nagko-comment ako, halang nice. So bakasyon talaga yon outside Tokyo.
No, bakasyon outside Tokyo.
Pero nandito ka na nag-aaral.
Yeah, so kung walang pasok, I do side trips sa labas ng Tokyo or within Tokyo.
Wait,
pero
amazing.
For the most part, nandito lang ako sa Tokyo area.
Oh, paano ka napunta dito?
Well, nag-apply ako ng scholarship.
Scholarship.
So, may scholarship ako and then, ayun.
Ano yung may
nakapasok
exam?
sa University of Tokyo.
Congratulations, ang galing mo.
I think it's more of
Essay, experience.
experience and then recommendations.
So where did you get your recommendation? From university professors? From workmates?
Former university professors,
Sa UP?
workmates. Sa UP, yeah. Yung thesis
totoo?
advisor ko.
Oh my gosh, ang galing mo, Nol.
No.
Wow, super humble. Nako, from Tacloban to Tokyo. Nakakatuwa. And sinolp yung travel buddy natin for today. Papuntang Mount Fuji. Ang happy naman, nakaka-inspire ka, Nolp, to achieve dreams. Charing. Ayun, my friend in Tokyo. Buti na lang. Dito ko lang din nalaman na dito siya nag-aaral, dito siya nakabase. Kaya may kasama tayo today in our Mount Fuji tour. I-vlog ko po itong pag-subscribe nyo sa akin, mga kababayan from Guam. So, ito po yung aking YouTube. Amo po yung ngaran. Walay po pala si Ma'am. Ano po yung name mo, Ma'am?
Arlene.
Ma'am Arlene. Taga Calbayog. Dave Gino. Dave, opo. G-U-I-N-O. May bago tayo subscribers. Salamat po.
Subscribe na.
Subscribed. Thank you po.
Ikaw pala, ikaw.
Ako po yan.
Tapos
Ako
punta
po
ka ng
yan.
States sa...
Next week, next Saturday, San Diego naman.
I-feature mo kami.
Opo.
Galing mo. Nakasubscribe na ako.
Salamat po. Sige po, let's add each other sa Facebook.
Alin yan?
Ayan, from Tacloban City with love.
Facebook,
Opo, salamat. Accept ko po.
din maano yun, may Instagram.
I-ano namin sa Guam.
Salamat po. Opo, mga kababayan natin.
Malay mo, ano ka din, malibreng.
Guam, kakatuwa naman.
Pag makato ka sa Guam, sige nga.
Ay, sige. Meet ko kayo sa Guam pag mapadpad ako doon. Dako di pa Facebook page. Ito naman yung public. Yan,
Siyang
oh.
isa para madami siyang kikita.
Yan.
Dako ribe.
Gusto ko napaka-supportive ng ating mga ma'am dito. Salamat po. Dakuri po Traveler.
Tulog go.
Sa Facebook.
Sa Facebook po. Thank you po. Opo. Eto, na-accept ko na po kayo.
Para maumagit sa yung vlog.
Kumusta naman ang Japan? First time?
No.
Kaya pala 3 days lang po kayo dito.
Buddy.
Mga ilang beses na po kayo nag-Japan?
Yung sa stamp ko is
Ito
15.
lagi.
Oh my God!
Yeah, like twice or three times a year.
Oh my goodness! Ang dami yung pong leave.
Like, tatabi-tabi na lang yung ano naman. So it's only 4 days. So,
Yeah,
like, if
tabi-tabi
we have
yung
day
off.
off, it's like
Pinagdidikit connecting.
3 hours and 45
3 hours and 45.
from Japan to Guam. Vice versa.
So malapit lang talaga siya sa Philippines.
Kaya,
Nagkaka-idea tuloy ako. Guam!
punta ka doon.
May US visa naman tayo.
Punta ka nga ng States eh.
Ano?
So,
Ang lapit lang.
Malapit lang.
message mo ko.
Kayo po, pang ilang beses yung nasa Japan? Dami na din.
Kung kailan siya, mga 3-4 times siguro.
4 times. Ito pa yung favorite yung country.
Yeah, kasi malapit lang siya.
So sa Pinas, anong work mo?
Nasa data po ako, Nielsen. It's called Nielsen. Alam niyo po yung mga sa TV ratings, market research. Doon.
Alam ko full-time.
Ay, hindi po. Parang di ko kaya.
Nano ka ng company, pinapunta ka sa States.
Yes. Business travel yung next week. Balik ko sa Philippines, April 11. Pa-States ako, April 12, 8 a.m. So, sunod-sunod talaga. Parang nakakapagod.
TFC pa pala ko.
TFC daw.
TFC. Ay, in-interview ako ni, oh my gosh, Bianca Gonzalez. Tama. Bianca Gonzalez, host ng Pinabig Brother.
PBB ano?
Yes, PBB. Oh my gosh! Hindi ako popular. Hindi po ako popular.
1, 2, 3.
Mag-selfie ka?
Ako rin mamaya.
1, 2, 3.
Here we go guys, on our way to Mount Fuji. Ay, cherry blossoms. Ayun, oh my gosh. Ganda. I'm not sure kung yan na dapat yung Mount Fuji. Pero, medyo cloudy. May village. Traffic. Mag-alauna na guys, traffic. What is happening? May highway patrol. Today talaga, to be honest, it's not going our way. Tama ba? Tama in English?
Yeah.
It's not going our way. Stuck na tayo sa traffic. 9 a.m. Umalis tayo. And then, alauna, 1:20. Nandito pa rin tayo sa traffic. Yung supposedly 1 hour and 30 minutes na trip, it's 3 hours na and counting. Almost 4 hours. Oo. Tama, almost 4 hours. Wild. So this is the reality of seeing Mount Fuji on a peak season. Like, hello, peak spring. It's Sunday. Last day ng spring break daw sa school. Tapos may accident pa. Gumagalaw siya pero super minimal. Girl, ilang oras tayo nasa bus. Bagan flight na to from tama. Manila to Japan. Ayan, umaandar na tayo. So that is Fuji-Q. The steepest roller coaster in the world until 2019. Ay, hindi kita. Pero yan, the steepest roller coaster in the world until 2019. So yung view niyan Mount Fuji. I think dapat nandito yung Mount Fuji sa side kasi ayun nga cloudy. Oh my goodness. So 4 hours nga at nakita natin ang Fuji. 2/3 of Fuji. Wait lang, kita ba? Ayan. Di gaanong kita. Wait lang. There. Wala, di kita. Kasi may mga puno. May magandang photo lang ng Sakura at Mount Fuji. Solve na ako. Okay? Kahit hindi na mapunta lahat ng itinerary natin. Basta yun lang. Ayun. Wow. Napapawaw na ako ngayon pa lang. Medyo kita na din naman siya. Hindi lang yung buo kasi cloudy. Mas na-excite makakita ng toilet.
Can you come please
kaysa
for
sa
the
Mount Fuji.
washroom CR is here beside.
Okay. May libreng patubig dito. Thank you. Ay. Ito. Water service. Yan yung toilet. Nakalabas tayo. Buti maliwalas yung panahon. Malamig yung hangin. Yung Mount Fuji nahihiya pa siyang magpakita. Mount Fuji ano na. Ngayon ka talaga hindi magpapakita. Na last day natin sa Tokyo. Na ito lang tayo makikita dapat kita. Ay. Yung mga shops dito, mga restaurant. It's giving Studio Ghibli. Ito modern na to eh. Actually, goal ko mag-Ghibli Museum or an park. Goal ko yun. Pero ang ganda, color pink. Cute. May KFC dito. Small but closed. Parang closed yung mga... Ay, hindi. Open pala. Yung town itself, it's a view. Fuji Yoshida. So this is Fuji Yoshida. Lunch muna tayo. Our first activity is lunch. Activity. 30-minute lunch. Let's go. Grabe kasing traffic. Thank you. Thank you so much po for this opportunity. Yes. Oh, saan kayo? Yes, same. Thank you po.
Doon tayo. Kasya tayo.
Sige po. Doon? Tara, dito tayo. Dito daw tayo. Here po. Ito yung lunch natin. It's a buffet. So, nasa, ano to? 4,000 yen. Sagana yung food dito, guys. As in, David. Yeah, where are you from, David?
I'm from Croatia.
Croatia?
Yes.
Oh, from Europe. Is it your first time in Asia?
It's my first time in Asia, yes.
Oh, welcome
And
to Asia.
Japan as well.
In Japan. Sorry? Oh, we're from the Philippines. Oh, yeah.
I have some friends there.
Oh, wow. Oh, you have some friends. I'm in the middle of the Philippines. But I work in Manila. Guys, we had a glimpse of Mount Fuji. It's starting to clear up. Or out. Clear up. The skies are starting to clear up. So, konti na lang. Thank you, Lord. Lord, di mo kang pinabayaan. Yung views talaga ng mga kabahayan, it's giving. As in.
Hello.
Oh my
Just
gosh.
see left side. Fuji sun is ready to
Wow.
take a photo or video.
It's
So we
almost
are
showing
here.
up.
Okay, I think I'll
Wow. Guys. Ang ganda. Mount Fuji. Hindi gaano kita dito. Uy, grabe. So pretty. Sabi ko kay Note, nakita ko na Mount Fuji, di ko pa nakita ang Mount Mayon. Ang ganda. Kapag kayo guys ay nasa bus, okay? Sa left side kayo. Huwag kayo sa driver side ng bus. But at least kapag nandito na kayo, yan agad ang bubungan sa inyo. Uwishi Park tayo, okay? Uwishi Park. Uwishi Park. This is a park with a nice view of Mount Fuji. Oh my God. May cherry blossom. Uwi ko, pero okay na ako. Let's go, guys. Itong feeling ng sumakses. Step by the step. Kita nyo naman kanina yung pinagdaanan natin. Totoo. Actually, yeah, okay na ako dito. Makita yung Mount Fuji. Grabe. Tara. Wait, pakita ko na sa inyo. In its full glory. Mount Fuji in its full glory.
Yes. Half glory.
Half glory. Not really half. Two-thirds. Wait lang. Grabe. Wow. So this is Mount Fuji, guys. Ganda. Grabe. Do the way da 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 sariling background music. Wow. The perfect cone, Mount Fuji. Para siyang Mayon volcano na perfect cone din. So, yung Mount Fuji sa likod natin, nasa Uishi Park pala tayo, okay? So, that's a UNESCO World Heritage Site because of its historical and cultural significance. That's also a sacred mountain. That's the highest mountain. Kasi kung Japanese ka, that's the highest mountain. Nasaan na ba yung Mount Fuji? Ayan na ba? Ayan, saan Mount Fuji? Ay, saan mo? Parang hindi siya alto dito. Wait lang. Okay, so that's the highest mountain in Japan, Mount Fuji. Tapos, bilang sacred siya, ginagawa siyang pilgrimage site with those associated sa Shintoism and Buddhism. Oh, diba? But yeah, the world-renowned Mount Fuji, finally! Ang ganda. Grabe. It showed up. Showed up when we needed it the most. Grabe. Breathtaking. Nolp, anong masabi mo sa Mount Fuji experience mo?
Mount Fuji, majestic. Worth it ang traffic.
Worth it ang traffic.
Worth it ang traffic.
True, no? Like,
Because kasi if we arrived earlier, it would have been so rainy. Wala tayong
yeah. Oo. Perfect na nandito tayo ngayon. Tapos ganito yung araw. Kasi dapat umuulan today. Buti hindi. Nasa forecast yung kahapon. Ganda. Sinop, sabi niya, hindi siya yung masyadong excited sa mga scenic na places or views. Pero this one, he's stunned. Mount Fuji is different. I love this. Grabe. It's so majestic. Napakaganda ng Mount Fuji. Tapos ito may lake dito. Dami ding napipicture. At least it's not that crowded. Like we have room for photos. Yan ang nagustuhan ko dito. I mean, we have spaces para mag-picture taking. May mga flowers. May cafe dito. Tapos may spot doon na may mga flowers. Ang ganda. Napakaganda ng Mount Fuji. Let's go.
Na-distract kami ng picture.
Ganda. Wow. My heart is so full. We just saw Mount Fuji in person. Something that we just saw on books, social media. Saya. Grabe. So beautiful.
A video, I can make a photo also.
Yung mga tita. Wow!
Time, I think it's time. We are
Wow!
the Fuji, really Fuji-san is very
Wala na yung
Oh.
special to who seen it means we are a very
ganda.
lucky persons.
Oh my gosh! Woo! Woo! Nawala na. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Wait, may mga puno na. Look! Wow. Grabe, ang sarap bumiyahin ng ganito yung view, no? Ganda. Wala na yung clouds. Yung traffic light, guys. Tingnan nyo. Di halata, pero may mini Mount Fuji. Grabe talaga yung Japan. Like, market na market yung kanilang symbol. Marketing, packaging their tourists, their country for tourism. Sobrang wow. Our next stop, guys, is Lawson. There you go. Mount Fuji. Where's Lawson? Ah, nandun yung Lawson B. Ay, ayun. Ayun. Is this the famous Lawson spot? Grabe yung Lawson, free advertisement.
Yes.
Parang mas maganda na rin kung saan tayo bumaba. Daming kotse. So this is the famous Lawson spot. Grabe yung Lawson, naging tourist spot. Pero ang ganda. Can I move here? Char. Ganito yung vibe. Gusto kong tumira dito. So, nandiyan yung Mount Fuji. Ang ganda. Ano nga ba ang itsura ng Lawson sa loob? Tingnan natin. Kasi itong pinakasikat na Lawson sa buong daigdig. Charing.
Yeah, these are the things going on. I don't know exactly. But that's also
Ito, ang daming pagkain sa loob. The usual convenience store. Pero of course, what sets this apart ay yung view ng Mount Fuji. Saglit lang tayo sa Lawson, guys. Bagay mas makuha maging vlogger kay picture tas video. Sabi ko mas mahirap maging vlogger kasi both picture and video. Tapos mas mahirap maging vlogger na may TikTok ka pa. Kasi landscape portrait. Parang mas naging mahirap siya after pandemic. Kasi may TikTok. So kailangan mo ng portrait.
Because before pandemic.
YouTube lang ako, landscape lang. Oo. Hindi pa naman kasi uso yung short form videos before pandemic. May data kami niyan sa Nielsen, sa trabaho ko. Nag-peak yung TikTok nung nag-pandemic. Grabe yung tinaas niya sa rankings. TikTok yung pinaka-nakinabang sa pandemic. At doon na rin nagsimula yung pagkahumaling ng Pilipino sa short form videos from the pandemic. Diba? Everywhere we see, there's Mount Fuji. Di siya naya sa atin today. Grabe girl, kita na yung ano niya, yung tawag dyan? Cap? Snow cap? Snow cap? Snow cap. We can see the peak of Mount Fuji. Our next stop, 400 steps na climb. Kayanin natin to guys. Okay? Kaya mo po ito.
Sa Korea, kaya niyo daw yung sa Korea.
Ang taas nun.
O, si.
Oo.
Kaya mo, nakakaya mo to.
Paakyat.
Kung hindi ko kaya, bababa
Yung
na.
tour natin, talagang
Mabilisan?
bilisan.
Yung hindi nyo alam, marathoners itong dalawa.
Ay, seryoso?
Yes.
Wow!
Nag-stop lang.
Oh, sporty po pala kayo. Dito tayo sa side maglakad. Hi. May maganda ditong view ng Mount Fuji. Kasi bawal mag-stop. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Let's go. Pero ang ganda. Okay din yung naka-tour guys. Kasi convenient siya. Pinupunta talaga yung magagandang stops. At upo ka na lang, labas, tas picture. Well, lakad like this. Sa'yo din maglakad-lakad sa village. It's laid back. Maaliwalas. And ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Sunny. Hindi ganun karami yung tao versus I expected. Pero kasi, baka kasi late na tayo dahil sa traffic, diba? So nauna na yung iba. Pauwi na sila sa Tokyo. May railway dito. Railway tracks. Ayan na naman ang Mount Fuji. Habang naglalakad tayo, sinusundan niya tayo. Clingy. May shops dito. 400 steps. Let's go. Look. Pa-bloom pa lang cherry blossoms. Ganda, overlooking. You think? Mas malamig sa taas? Laban po. Fighting. Kailangan mo natin paghirapan bago marating ang tugatog ng tagumpay. Grabe. Wow. We did it. Hi. Hey, it's okay. Grabe. Hi. Oh, there's a bear in the area. May warning. Uy, ito. Pagoda. Churreto, pagoda. Wow. Arakuyama Sengen Park. Okay, cherry blossoms to, no? Wow.
Dapat, supposedly.
Imagine kung full bloom ito. Pero ang ganda. Ang ganda as it is. We made it. Hindi pa naman tutok-tok. May mas tuktok pa. Pero kung saan maganda yung view ng Mount Fuji. Napakaganda guys. Grabe. Wild. Dito po.
Can I ask you something?
Yes. Take a photo of you.
Make a photo.
Sure. Ang ganda. So nakita lang natin to sa picture guys. We're here. Ayan. Yung Mount Fuji. Sit lang tayo sa baba. Ayan. We made it here guys. And this is peak Japan. We made it here with this view of Mount Fuji and this famous pagoda behind me. Solid, sulit, surreal. Ay, arigato gozaimasu, Japan. May cherry blossoms na yan, no? May cherry blossoms naman din dito. Cherry blossom sighting. Tapos ibang itaragan nga di ano. Same. Ganda sa taas. The view was so surreal. Ay. Tara na. Babaan na. Nice ano siya, nice ending. Okay na rin. Kaysa nagmadali tayo doon. Tapos yung next stop ay madilim na rin naman. Perfect yung sun dito eh. Yung pagpunta natin dito. Golden hour. Around what time are we arriving in Tokyo? 7?
If there is no traffic.
Oh, 7.
If there is no traffic, it will be 1.5 hour or
Oh.
2 hour maximum.
2 hour
If there is
maximum.
no hour, I don't know exactly.
Okay.
You see last morning what happened.
Yeah.
God, we passed there and you can visit 3 locations.
Yeah. Nope is right. The village is so charming.
Mga vegetable patches.
Mm.
These are local farms. Ang nagpa-farm hito is mga taga-didi na open. Backyard farming.
Backyard farming. Cool. Yung mga shops dito, oh. It's Sunday. Baka yun yung reason because it's a Sunday kaya close yung mga shops. By Mount Fuji. Our driver,
すごいね。
Yamashita-san.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much. He gave me
You're welcome.
water. Thank you. Kakatuwa naman. Okay, we're going back. Natapos ng ating isang araw na Mount Fuji tour. Ano na yung thoughts mo?
Mount Fuji was really nice. Avoid Lawson, hindi siya worth it. Pero everything else, absolute, the best.
The best. Yung Lawson, underwhelming ba siya for you? Or totally even before?
I think kasi Lawson, hindi mo nga makikita yung Mount Fuji kasi natatabunan siya ng Lawson. So, and then so it's basically just a convenience store na may Mount Fuji. Mas maganda yung gilid ng Lawson na nakikita mo yung actual Mount Fuji and then the street.
Solid ba? Yung pagka 4 hours delay natin?
Feeling ko, oo. I think better na na-delay tayo ng 4 hours because the weather is better sa afternoon.
Right, kasi kanina umulan.
Umulan ng umaga. So if we arrived at around 10 a.m., wala tayong makikita.
Tapos yung ano, oo nga wala makita kasi pag arrive natin, 'di ba?
Oo.
Ano lang, clouds lang yung nakita
Clouds lang.
natin. Yeah, so nakita yung journey namin from hoping na sana makita natin yung Mount Fuji to finally seeing it in its full glory. Napakaganda, very charming town. Highlight din pala of the day, nakilala natin yung mga titas na Filipinas from Guam. Sa Guam na sila nagtatrabaho guys, doon sila nakabase. Nilibre nila tayo ng lunch, so maraming salamat po sa inyo. Really appreciate your kindness. You got good photos?
Yes.
Oh, great.
We have one.
Wow.
Instagram worthy.
Yeah. Instagram worthy. Can't wait to see that. Yeah, it's very Instagram. Everywhere we went, very Instagrammable, no? Kahit saan tayo magpunta. Basta kita yung Mount Fuji. Ganda niya. As in. So my heart is full. Salamat din, Nob, sa pagsama sa akin.
Welcome.
Dinagit lang kita nung Friday. Tama.
Yeah, Friday.
Friday lang. Tama. Tapos sumama siya. Sabi niya kasi sa akin, dito siya nag-aaral. Sabi ko sa kanya, uy, magkipagkita ka naman sa akin. Tapos sakto, may isa pa akong ticket for Mount Fuji tour. Then here we are. So thank you guys for watching, for being with me in this trip. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung views ng Mount Fuji. This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye.